live with thee and be my love, and we will all the pleasures prove that valleys, groves, hills and fields, woody or steepy mountain hills, all the world that groves, sorry ma'am, woody, wood, so you have accent and again. Come live with thee and be my love, and we will all the pleasures prove that valleys, groves, hills and fields, woods or steepy mountain hills,
All the world and law are young, and truth in every shepherd. This pretty pleasure is my meaning, to live with thee and be thy love.
and we will sit upon the rock, seeing the shepherds feed their flock by shallow rivers, melodies, birds sing magical.
Time drives the flocks from field to fold, when rivers rage and rocks grow cold, and Philomel becometh low. The rest complain of cares to come.
And I will make and 1,000 fragrant a cap of flowers and a kirtle, embroidered they all with lips of myrtle.
The flowers we fade and one will fade, in wayward winter a cold wind. A honey found a heart of gold, it plants the spring but sorrows cold.
A gown made of the violet wood, which are our brittle lamp with wool, fair like slippers for the cold, with buckles of the purest gold.
They gowns, they shoes, they beds of roses, they top, they kirtle, and they roses. Breaks soon wither and soon forgotten, in foliar ripe in wisdom rotten.
A belt of straw and a bun.
Mali, ang better friend cotton bud.
Abby bun. Ay, give me.
A
A belt of straw and ivy bun. With coral snaps and amber If this pleasure make you move, come live with me and be that
They belt of straw and ivy bun, they coral clasp and amber strap. All this in me no means can move, to come to thee and be thy love.
Shepherd swain shall dance and sing, for thy delight each May morning. If these delights thy mind may move, then live with me and be my love.
But could youth last and love so brief? Had joys no age, nor had joys no days, nor age no age. Then this the life my mind might need, to live with the
And
lonely.